What's up, guys? I think one of the most important things that we do here is we need to really be able to do our research and to find comps and to find good comps and comps that we're really comfortable with and confident in. And you're gonna want to be able to do it in different ways, and there's not just one way to skin a cat, right? So I want to show you a different way here to find a comp and one that can be really helpful. Obviously, Zillow is a really powerful tool. It's going to be a great asset for you. It has a ton of information. So 941 Rock Spring Drive in Winston-Salem. This is actually a property that I've been working on. Give you a little bit of background. This is one home owner. They bought the home in 1959. Lived there. The lady who lived there is actually 99. She's actually just put into assisted living a year ago. Family is trying to pay these bills for assisted living. It's obviously quite expensive, and they're motivated to sell this property. So let's make sure we write down 3 beds, 1.5 baths, 1,352 square feet. And I also want you to write down your estimate, okay? 89,981, closer to 90K in reality. So up here at the top, I want you to press this expand button, okay? Let's scroll down. We have similar homes for sale. We don't care about that. That's fantasy land. What we do care about is nearby similar sales. So here you're going to get some similar sales marked in yellow. I want you guys to click on this link here. See sales similar to 941. Okay, so it's really great because they here on this page, they actually put it in order based on what the house is sold for. Okay, so recently sold, we have this one sold for 60,000, 25. It's just a little bit bigger, I guess, by 25 square feet. Same number of beds, same number of baths, 1377. Sold less than a year ago. That's a great comp. So we'll want to scroll to the end. Okay. You would think, okay, so this one's the most expensive one, the one that cost the most, then this is going to be our high comp. Well, we got to be more careful than that because this one is actually 394 square feet bigger than our home. That's a big difference, guys. I want to stay within 200, maybe 250 square feet of our home. So I don't consider this a great comp. This one is actually much better, the one at 115. It does have an extra half bath. The square footage is really similar, and this one sold for I guess right around 1 month ago. So that's wonderful. So what we want to do obviously is take that information. Our low comp bid was 60,000. We're going to insert that here. Our high comp is 115,000. The square footage, we wrote this down, so it's 1352. And make sure if you want to do the calculations and you don't want to do it by hand, you need to put it in this box right here as well. And we'll press enter, and that will give us this sheet. Remember to save this, save as. You don't want to save it as whatever the address is. So our comps here are 87.5. Okay, so just because we did it on Zillow, we're confident, but you always want to check your comps, make sure that we're in line with some of these other very reputable sites. So I always go into Google. You're going to want to put in the address, Google that address, and you want to take the average of 3 other reputable sites. So there's obviously Trulio, Realtor.com, Redfin, HomeFacts. There's some really good ones out there. So let's see, Redfin is 114. So that's a little bit high, but we want to write that down, 114. Then we'll come to Trulia. which is 60, so a little bit, quite a bit lower than what we have. And let's go to Realtor.com. Realtor.com around 100K. So we had 100K, one around 114, and one at 60. Ours was 87.5. Guys, that's pretty good. We got to feel pretty confident about that. So I want to go back here. So to Zillow, because I wanted to show you guys something else. Down the middle here, you'll have some really valuable information. I really like the price and the tax history. This is going to be important. Remember, I said that this home was actually built by these folks, so we don't have any price history. Tax history is great. So this tells us what the tax value of the house is, 92.8. So that's going to be important. Look, sometimes this information is not there. What you're going to want to do, and what I recommend doing anyway, is Googling the county that your property is in and GIS. Now, GIS stands for Geographic Information System. So this is you'll be able to find the tax records of the property. It's going to display map information. It's going to break down the size of the lot, how much the land is worth compared to how much the house is worth. So that's also going to be some really valuable information for you. So I recommend doing that as well. I think you guys are obviously going to do great. Do your research, feel confident in it, and call these motivated sellers back and go ahead and sign those options, guys. Good luck and happy investing.